Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? I am bringing to you the next part of the Festive Glam Series. For this part, I am going to pair a classic red lip but not with a winged liner. So stay tuned to see what eye look I am pairing it with. Before we start the video, don't forget to press the subscribe button. So let's begin the video. So, revealing the big secret now. I'm pairing this look up with a brown liner and a very subtle gold metallic shade. So, let's start the eye look. So, for this eye look, you only need 3 eyeshadow. First shade that you'll be needing is a very muted brownie shade. Something like this. Now taking a very deep dark brown shade, something like this, to draw a wing on the outer corner of my eye. Now I'll be showing you why the wing doesn't have to be perfect. All you need is a blending brush. Using the same brown shade, blend everything towards the lid area. Now taking a metallic gold shade, something like this, and applying it to my lid area. Before we apply the metallic shade, let's not forget the hack. Now let me just get done with the foundation and the concealer and I'll be right back. And I'm back. Now let's complete the look. I'm going to add a gold pencil to my lower waterline. Tight lining my upper waterline with the gold pencil. Applying the same dark brown shade under my lower waterline. Defining my eyebrows. Adding mascara. Applying a very subtle pink shade as the blush on. Highlighting my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes with this shade. Adding highlighter to my face. Now adding the lipstick. Let me just finish the look and I'll be right back. And I'm back. This is my final look. This makeup look is very easy to create, super easy and super simple. You don't have to use a lot of products, and with the minimum amount of time that you have, maximum 15 to 20 minutes for this look will make you look very elegant and very glamorous at the same time. So do try this look at home, and if you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.